Are you tired of waiting days for your own money to move? Or getting hit with outrageous fees just to send it across the world? What if the entire system that controls our money is about to be completely upended? Welcome to Generational Wealth, your pathway from knowledge to legacy. While most of the world is watching the price of Bitcoin, a new wave of cryptocurrency technology is quietly building the tools to make that happen. This isn't about just another coin. It's about a fundamental shift in how money works. Today, we're going to break down how this technology works, why it's positioned to make a huge impact, and what this new decentralized future might actually look like. Let's be honest, the traditional banking system has its headaches. High fees, painfully slow international transfers, and a lack of access for millions of people are just the start. Did you know that over 1.7 billion adults around the world are still unbanked? That's a huge portion of the population left out of the modern financial world. For a long time, the system has been built around centralized institutions that control our money and set the terms, which often leaves the average person feeling powerless. The old world of finance isn't just outdated. For many, it feels broken. Now let's get into why this system is so ready for a shakeup. Have you ever waited days for a bank transfer to clear, only to get hit with a surprisingly high fee? Or thought about the millions of people who can't get a simple loan because they don't have a traditional credit score? These frustrations are real and affect people every single day. Traditional banks can charge significant fees, especially for international transfers, which can take days to settle. In contrast, decentralized finance (DeFi) platforms are starting to offer a compelling alternative. While it's not always perfect, network traffic can sometimes slow things down or raise fees on certain blockchains. Many platforms can process transactions in minutes for a fraction of the cost. The demand for a better, more inclusive financial system has never been stronger. This is where a new generation of crypto technology comes in. We're talking about more than just digital coins. This is about leveraging blockchain and DeFi to build a new financial infrastructure. By cutting out many of the traditional intermediaries, this tech allows for peer-to-peer transactions without needing a bank to approve them. Imagine a world where more people can access financial services with just an internet connection. That's the promise of DeFi. It aims to open up access to lending, borrowing, and trading for populations that have been left behind, especially in developing countries. Of course, it's not a magic wand. Access still requires some technical know-how and a reliable internet connection, which can be barriers. But it's a huge leap forward. And then there's the speed. Unlike banks with set business hours, DeFi platforms run 24/7. This means financial services are available anytime, anywhere in the world. Stablecoins, which are cryptocurrencies pegged to assets like fiat currencies, are a huge part of this. They offer price stability that makes them useful for low-cost, cross-border payments. However, they aren't without their own debates, especially around regulation and risk, which the entire industry is watching closely. So, is this all just hype? Not at all. We're already seeing this technology work in the real world. Projects like Aave and Compound are showing how lending and borrowing can work without traditional credit checks, with millions of active users participating. This is just the start. Even major banks and financial institutions are exploring how to integrate blockchain and DeFi to stay competitive, signaling a shift towards a more open financial ecosystem. So, what could this future look like? Picture a world where financial transactions are faster, more transparent, and open to everyone. A world where you can send money across the globe in seconds without worrying about surprise fees. This new wave of crypto tech is about more than just convenience. It's a movement toward greater financial inclusion. While predictions of completely surpassing legacy payment systems soon are likely overstated, the growth is undeniable. Tokenized assets and stablecoins are already transforming payment infrastructures. By handling a significant and rapidly growing volume of payments, they are starting to seriously challenge the old ways of doing things. To put it all together, the old financial system has major flaws, and this new generation of cryptocurrency technology presents a powerful and increasingly viable alternative. It's about building a future where finance is more efficient, transparent, and accessible to everyone. For trending topics and actionable crypto insights, join our Insiders Club on our website at generationalwealth.biz. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the fast-moving world of crypto and finance. Together, we can watch this new financial future unfold. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a licensed financial advisor. This is for educational purposes only. Crypto is volatile, Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Do your own research. Thank you for watching. We appreciate you. See you on the next one.